Can you imagine a world where you wake up one day and you're suddenly a roach? You lie there motionless, you don't know what's happening around you, and there's nothing you can do. You have no control over anything. Yet, Gregor's sister was playing so beautifully. Her face was leant to one side, following the lines of music with a careful and melancholy expression. Gregor crawled a little further forward, keeping his head close to the ground so that he could meet her eyes if the chance came. Was he an animal if music could captivate him so? It seemed to him that he was being shown the way to the unknown nourishment he had been yearning for. He was determined to make his way forward to his sister and tug at her skirt to show her she might come into his room with her violin, as no one appreciated her playing here as much as he would. He never wanted to let her out of his room, not while he lived anyway. His shocking appearance should, for once, be of some use to him. Hi, this is Richa, and this is a table read for CC. Today I'm reading Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. And before I get into the book, I want to quickly talk about Franz. And he is one of the most celebrated authors, this world knows today. And he was also clinically depressed. And what I loved about this book is how he captures the feeling of helplessness through his characters that he writes about, through the way that he explains them. Like Gregor, can you imagine a world where you wake up one day and you're suddenly a roach? You lie there motionless, you don't know what's happening around you, and there's nothing you can do. You have no control over anything. And what I really loved about this paragraph is, this is where you connect to Gregor as a human. You see him in a different light, because even to him, when he was a human, he felt like he was, just living a life of monotony, where he was just going from one day to the next, focusing only on his work. And it was only when that he transformed into something else, that he started noticing other things, that he started appreciating the music that his sister played, started appreciating all the hard work that his mother put into the house. And I loved how the author connects with, there are certain things that you have no control over. Like, even for me, the life that I live is of monotony. I'm going through the day, one day at a time. And you realize that this is what life is, and this is how to, if you want to break away from that monotony, then you need to look into other things and feel all different things. So that is what I really liked about the book.
Table read only on CC.